Hello and welcome back to the second video for the collection Over the Rainbow, and I'm going to show you in that video the paper sets, because I have added to that collection 8 paperbacks and packs and I'm going to show you them now in detail. This is an overview of the whole collection, that you see how everything is coming together. And let's jump into the first pack. It's the cardboard. The cardboards come in 3 different versions. We have a black, then we have a brown cardboard version, and a white grayish version. We have let's see, just hold on a second. I think we added here, or I added here. Oh no, I can't see that right now. Okay. We have different designs on top of them. So we have here some dots, and here are some stripes with arrows and hearts, little ones. And this one is with a kind of nice pattern. This one is one with flowers here, so when you go into the detail you see a little different roses. Here we have this is very elegant, I think, and I like that. Added here a little bit of a shadow to the design itself, to the pattern. Let's see. No, we go here. Yeah, I like that zooming. Look at it. So we have here a nice pattern, and also in the back we have a very soft shadow. So you have a little bit of a depth in that paper pack. So this is one with swirls. A nice swirl pattern. We can maybe show here the black version. Sorry for clicking while around. And let's see, it gives a little bit of like a kind of chalkboard effect when you use the black one. And the next one is with stripes. Let's see that one. Look at it. You have a soft, very bright texture, and here we have the black kind of stripes over it. And then the next one is that. Also nice. And you see, you have the neutral colors, really, that all these colorful elements and stuff I added to the collection, that it a bit can neutralize anything. And of course, if you use a black background and all the colorful stuff in the foreground, you have such a great contrast. That will you will love it. And we have here some dots, and here's some rickrags and dots. So yes, let's zoom in. Here we go. Nice one. Yes, these are the cardboard papers. Then we have the next set, are really neutral paper packs without any pattern on top of it. So you have only the cardboard, like that one, with a nice texture. That's the black version. And then we have here some, I don't know how it's called in English. We have that here, that cardboard, and also 3 different versions. And you can use them, of course, in so many other projects. They work with kind of any collection in my shop. We have that one here. That's one with a little bit more texture than the first one. That's the next we have here. Let's zoom in, or not. So here we go. And then the black version, and to compare with the bright version. That one is more burlap kind of style, and then we have here some checkered version. The black one looks like that one. The white one is really like paper. And here another one with really soft texture. That's the cardboard neutral version of the papers. Also 21 different papers you get with that pack. Then we have the cardboard paint. These are also very old papers I created some years ago, and I always thought I needed to get them back into the shop because I still can remember when I created them, and I had such fun to create them with acrylic papers, and especially this yellowish, and it's so grungy and wild, and I think it's so versatile to use. You can use them into clipping mask for a background, or only how they are. So here are with a gesso, and this one is a little bit more grungy, in all different kind of colors. We have here a PNG file, so this one can overlay to any other paper. So let's take that one, for example. Let's copy, paste, and place that on top of it. So you have already created PNG file. Blue, here we have another one with white, and it's some painted in circles, brush strokes. Here we have different one with red colors, green, gray. That one is also very very hot, and they have such a great and awesome texture. Just look into the texture here, the paint. So that's all really painted on cardboard and then scanned and recolored. So yes, I really enjoyed to create them, and also this pack will make you happy and you're gonna love it. The next pack are solids. We have 3 different solids. We have a pastelic version, a normal version, I would say, and then we have a darker version of rainbow colors. They're very soft, not much texture. Here we have a little bit of texture, these green ones, and go into that one. That's also very neutral. This yellow, oh, I love that bright color. I can't wait of spring. So you're gonna enjoy them. If you like to do some brighter and colorful pastelic layouts, then you're gonna use that one. Then the next pack is the solids 2, and they are a little bit darker here, and also have the same hues, but darker. And each of the texture is different, so you not get only recolored papers. You get really each paper is a different texture here. Here we go. Then we have the third one, and they are the dark version. And also here you have again the dark purple, pink, and different. Each comes in different colors. Look at that. That's leather style kind of paper, and from an old book cover. And then we have here a bluish, dark green, and trust me, you can use those papers in so many different ways, and they will always be one of your favorite in your stash. Then we have watercolor 1 pack with papers, soft watercolor papers. Ooh, look at that. Look at the texture. this one is one of my favorite. Look at that blue, some turquoise here, dark blue and bright blue, and it's like sky in heaven. And yes, you love it, love it, love it. Here is, I can imagine that you create of that a little bit of scenery with maybe flowers on top. Here maybe the doodled flourishes work here pretty well. And then we have here a little bit of more neutral bluish kind of paper, and here we have the more gray purple kind of papers. So these are the watercolor #1 pack, and then we have the second one. Now it gets wild, really wild. I created them out of old painting bits, and then created out of them those watercolor papers. Really, here we have a nice tree, and this one is the moon, and in front of it a kind of hill, and that's the background, and it's interesting to look at. Here, this one is super. It works only if you only add a little bit some kind of elements, and it's done, and use it how it is, print it out, frame it, and you are done, and you have a nice kind of present if you go somewhere, and only add this paper into a frame, and you have a little gift for a friend or a loved one. So very versatile. This greenish is like, look at it, beautiful, beautiful, those rich colors. I can imagine that you create nice stuff with that. That was now the packs of all the papers in the Over the Rainbow collection. We have 8 packs, and this was the video for it. So we're gonna see us in the next video with the Painter's Toolbox products. And if you missed the first one, the video, it's with the all the embellishment elements in this collection. So we're gonna see you next time. Bye.